Assalamualaikum. Let me introduce myself. I am Fajar Aryansyah from 11 Science 1. On this opportunity, I will tell you how to use an electric iron. The first method, preparing to iron. The first step, make sure that the garment is meant to be ironed. Check the text for ironing instruction if the text don't tell you which setting to put your iron. Then look to see if they indicate what material the fabric is made of. Many iron order their setting by the type of material, e.g. wool, cotton, polyester. Low setting, agate, rayon, silk, and wool. For rayon and silk, turn the items inside out prior to ironing. For wool items, place a damp cloth between the item and the iron. Medium setting, polyester, slightly damp before ironing. High setting, cotton, slightly damp before ironing. Second step, set up the ironing area. Use an ironing board if possible. If you don't have access to an ironing board, use a flat, sturdy surface like a table or counter. The ironing board is designed to absorb heat and moisture without taking damage. Make sure that you don't iron on highly flammable surface. Third step, fill the water reservoir of the iron. If your iron features an steam function, then you may need to add water. Look for a large detachable water chamber on the lobe of the tool. Add filtered water nearly to the brim. One, make sure that you use filtered water. This may help you avoid calcium build up in your iron, which could clog the steam spout. Fourth step, lay out the garment. Arrange the item of clothing so that it lies perfectly flat on the board. Make sure that there are no wrinkles. If you iron over a wrinkle, then you will press a creased line into the fabric. Second method, using an iron. One step, heat up the iron. Turn the heat dial to the setting that is most appropriate for your fabric. Once you've selected a heat level, the metal will begin to grow warm. Let the iron become hot. You shouldn't need to wait more than a matter of seconds. The heat level are often listed in relation to a certain type of fabric. For instance, cotton responds well to high heat and steam, but some synthetic fabrics might have opposed their opposed to such temperature. Do not use an inappropriate setting. Second, start with a low heat and work up. If you are ironing more than one item, start with the one that use the lowest setting on the iron. This way you won't need to let the iron cool down before you continue. Second step, iron the first side. Run the hot flat side of the iron firmly and slowly across the fabric. Smooth out the wrinkles. For the best result, work with the natural folds and crease of the garment. 1. Iron each individual parts of the garment separately. For instance, if you're ironing a dress shirt, smooth it out the collar, then the cuffs, then the sleeves, then the shoulders, then the pocket, and finally the main body of the shirt. Second, do not let the iron rest directly on the garment, lest the fabric overheats. If you are careless with the iron, you might start a fire. Third step, smooth out the other side. Now flip the piece of clothing over and iron the other side. Make sure not to flatten any wrinkles or creases into the new side. Fourth step, hang clothing immediately after ironing. If you bunch up the garment or leave it lying out, then there's good chance that I will dry with rings. Hang the fabric on the clothes hanger and let it air dry. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.